In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check or verify your Bitcoin balance on the Cash App, and the process is really simple. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged into the right account. On the home screen, you'll see your main Cash App balance at the top, but this is not where your Bitcoin amount shows, so don't worry if you don't see anything related to crypto here. Next, look at the bottom menu and tap on the home icon. This is the tab where Cash App shows your money, your banking options, and your investing section. Once you're inside this screen, scroll a little until you see this section labeled Save and Invest or something similar, depending on your version of the app. Right under that section, you'll see your Bitcoin wallet. This is where Cash App displays the current dollar value of all the Bitcoin you own. Tap on that Bitcoin section to open up the full details. Once you're inside the Bitcoin page, you'll see everything clearly. Your total Bitcoin balance in dollars, the exact amount of Bitcoin you're holding in BTC, and a live price chart that shows how Bitcoin has been moving. If you scroll down, you'll also see recent activity, including any buy, sell, or transfer transactions linked to your Bitcoin. This screen updates in real time, so whatever amount you see here is your exact Bitcoin balance at that moment. If you ever buy more, sell some, or the market price changes, the balance will update automatically. And that's all you need to do. That's how you quickly check and verify your Bitcoin balance on Cash App without any confusion.